So if you want to fix this problem, first of all, you have to use this method. Just tap on your power button for some while, tap on the restart button, and tap on OK. And by doing this, your phone is going to turn off automatically and turn on. And when this happens, sometimes it's fixed the problem. When you do this and it's not working for you, this is what you have to do. First of all, head straight to your phone menu, just scroll down below. When you scroll down below, you just have to search for your phone settings. So tap on the phone settings, then after that tap on network and internet, tap on mobile network, select the network type, and also scroll down a little bit, tap on advanced, tap on preferred network type, and select 4G/3G/2G auto. After doing this, go back to your phone settings again. Then after that, scroll a little bit and tap on apps and notifications. When you tap on apps and notification, now tap on see all apps. After that, tap on the search apps over here when the apps appears. Now just type in red and you're going to see Reddit app. So when it pops up, just tap on it. Then after that, you're going to be in the app info of Reddit. So to fix this problem, just tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure these show notifications are all turned on, which is very necessary. Now tap on the storage and cache and make sure you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background data is turned on because it's very important. This Reddit app uses mobile network or Wi-Fi, so we have to be on. Do you get me? It's very important. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store app. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it and search Reddit. So when you search Reddit, just tap on it to open it. Then you have to update it over here. So after updating your Reddit app, what you have to do is to restart your device. So to restart your device, tap your power button, tap on restart, tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device or rebooting your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.